Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we're going to be looking at Australian dot art. Let's get started by checking out these examples. All of these examples have one thing in common: dots. Some of these pictures contain an animal image. Some are just a simple shape like a circle. Some are lines. But all of these things, whether it's a line, shape, or an animal, all of these designs use dots to create those. And we're going to create our own. Let's do that now. You're going to have a big sheet of paper. And with this big sheet of paper, each of these containers have 3 big dot markers and 5 small dot markers. With these markers, you'll have to twist them open and shut. Dot markers are kind of special. You can actually feel the ink come down to the bottom. Think of your design before you start. I think I'm going to do just a simple circle for my example, but you guys can do, it's up to you, anything school appropriate. And then you press down and lift up. If you press down too hard or for too long, it creates a lot of ink comes out. It's kind of wasteful. And it creates, sometimes it bleeds through and gets a mess on the table. So you gotta be careful with these and just do a quick dot. If you do see anyone being wasteful with them and like pressing down too hard for too long, just let me know, or first remind them using kind words. Hey, don't do that, that's wasteful. If it continues, let me know so I can remove that item from them, so I can have it ready for other people. I'm not going to let someone use all the materials for themselves. I'm going to make sure those materials will last for everyone in the whole school. So even these small dot markers, you have to twist them open and closed. I like these because you can do a lot more detail with the smaller ones, but the big ones are really fun too. Let's see, there we go. Let's go back over that one. Yes, there we go. Oh no, I made a mistake. Is it okay? I think it's gonna be okay. Take a deep breath. It still is fun. It still look cool. And I might fit in some more dots there. Well, I can't wait to see what you guys are going to create. Make sure you only use one side of your paper. This stuff can bleed through on the back, so you can only use one side of your paper. Till next time, keep being creative.